How is it going, guys? I'm starting a new channel. Whoop-de-doo. Oh, sorry, that was just 240. But I don't care because I'm starting a new channel. It's a Minecraft channel. I'm Bears Gaming. But now I will be known as Bears the Coal Keeper. You know, like the ring keeper, but you get it. Yeah, it's not funny. Okay, but still, I'm going to do a building building series, and I'm going to eat some white candy. Now, no, just kidding. Okay, but still, let's just build the penis. Build it. Oops. Thingy. Creative. Banana. Totally worth it. But still, today I'm going to build just, like a starter house. That's good to build when you're just starting a Minecraft world. So, first of all, I'm going to show you the seed. You can just pause the video. Fuck, that's a long seed. And I'm just going to build it here. This seems like a cool place. First of all, I'm going to clear this area out. So I'll see you in a second. And I'm back. And so, the things that you will need is just like wood. This, just the basic materials you would have. Though I am going to use this. And this. Just for decoration, you don't really need to do it. And this. You don't really need to do that either. And, no, I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, totally. Torches! Okay, so first of all, you begin with just like doing this and this and this and this and this and this. And you have your female penis. Wait, what? No, just kidding. But still, okay. So, you do this, not this. And this, just this leak. This, and this, and this, and this. I have literally no idea what I'm doing. But let's hope it turns into a house if something weird happens. Okay, just there we go, and then I just do it like this, do it like this, do it like this, do it like this. And this and this. So first of all, you start by doing this. Yeah, but still. Okay, then you just do this and 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 this. But still, you do it like this and this and this and this and this and this, and I messed up. Doesn't really matter. I just do it like this. I just do it like, what is love, 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 baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I'm so lonely. What is loneliness? Baby, I know it. I know it. 'Cause I'm all fucking alone. But still. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. No, just kidding. But still. Okay. I just had an idea, but then I have to kind of destroy this all saying penis. Yes, I do. I have to penis. But still. Okay. Just do this. I do this. I don't really need to destroy anymore, but still I'm going to. I'm sorry if you're bored, but I just have to. I'm on drugs. Ugh. Fart. Awkward, but still. 3, 2, 4, 5 wood. Fuck this, fuck this. This. And this, and this, and this, and this, and this dick. This, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And you pretty much are ready for your date. No, I'm kidding. But still. Dicks. Yeah, that's what I was going to do earlier. Fuck. Rage. Okay, and I just have to do this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. If you count how many I say this and you answer it right, you get a cookie. Cookie? What was that? Who the fuck is in my house? Ouch. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. No, fuck. Penis. Like this, and do it like this. And this. And this, and this, and this, and grass, and dicks, 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 and dicks. And you'll pretty much have a dildo penis thing. Now I'm going to do one thing. Exit that, or wait, exit, what the fuck, exit. That's a mod pack! Delete your Facebook account. Okay, and then I'm just going to make the floor, and I'll be right back. And my friend is back. Say hello, William.
Hello.
His name is not William. I have no idea who this guy is, but he just came to me and said, I have no friends, and I invited him over, and now he's stealing all my cash. And your candy. Oh, I'm so going to kill you. No, just kidding. Okay, but still, this is an penis. Okay, I'm going to complete this. You just do make a wall here. And you're pretty much ready for your date. What is love, 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 baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me, my dick. Okay. Woo! I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea what I should do next. Oh my god, 9 minutes and 39 seconds. Okay, I'm going to end this episode here. I'm just going to do, like maybe 2. Next time I will just, build dicks out of rubber. But still, okay, I'm going to end this video here. See you guys later, and I will see you in the next episode of whatever I make. Up, penis!